Jolene, RideTheWindEbikes. We are not in our own showroom. We are at the headquarters of Ecolo, so very exciting. Things look extra shiny here. So this is your Galaxy ET4 Galaxy. So 4 wheels, you can choose to have it with a roof or without a roof. And as Michelle calls it, this is the Cadillac. This is one of the newest to join the lineup. It is very similar to the LS. I'll do a comparison in another video that you can see. But the reason that it is a Cadillac comparatively is because of the lights. I mean, first of all, how nice does that look? The suspension is upgraded, same 3x10 tubeless tires, upgraded radio system, which is really great. Actually, check out these lights back here. And then that's the hazards. So, you know, this mobility scooter going down the road at night is going to be incredibly visible. Let's see the lights at the front. That's nice. And I believe it comes in a blue as well. So it's got a little bit more power to it. This is a 60 volt, 20 amp hour lead acid. So it'll get you about 50 kilometers per charge, but it's 1,000 watts. So if you are a bit of a bigger person or you live somewhere that has hills, then I would suggest going with this over, say, the Classic or the LS, which is behind you there. This would be the one we would recommend. It's a couple $100 extra, but it's well worth it, 1,000 watts. What else can we tell you about this guy? Dynamic braking, I think that's really important to talk to. I'm just looking for the hazards. Dynamic braking is really important to talk about because some mobility scooters just ride like a scooter where if you let go of the throttle, you just continue on coasting, and dynamic braking is safer. There's no doubt about it. You let off the throttle, it brings you to a stop. But that you also have brakes as well, front and rear disc brakes. Sorry, I don't know if it's disc in the back. It is drum. So front disc, rear drum. So the point is that if the braking is not fast enough for you, you can just put your brakes on, and they're actually not too stiff, which I like as well. So it is in a neutral position right now. No, I lied. Turn it off. Yeah, that's okay. That is even a nicer feature. So I was like, why am I having trouble pushing this? It has a smart system that when it's on, say you got off, you left it on and you're rolling down a hill or you're on incline, it's not going to take off. If it's turned off, yes it is. It's in absolute full neutral right now. It's got a smart system to it. Now it's on in neutral. I can push it, but it's got resistance. I'm now going to put it into drive, and I'm going to show you how to do that because it's very convenient. The ones you kind of have to bend down, but that's your lever right there. Look how easy that is. So neutral, drive. That is a heck of a lot easier. So you have to have it off if you're going to turn it from neutral to drive. I'm putting it into drive. There we go. And you heard braking right there. So I'll just put it in reverse. See how it stops itself, drive. Lovely, so very safe. The top speed on this is 22 kilometers an hour, which I think makes a lot of sense. You do have a limiter though, so 1, 2, and 3 just limits your top speed. You actually have a neutral, which is interesting. So drive, neutral, and reverse. And a reverse beep. A little annoying. But that's good. You want to know if it's in reverse. Here we have your alarm system. So lock on, lock off, and that is going to help for any theft. If somebody moves it, touches it, tries to steal it, it's going to sound the alarm. The radio system, Michelle tells me that this radio system is all upgraded top notch, which adds to its Cadillac name. But we're inside, so I can't show you the radio. So just trust us, it's good. You can charge your phone here. You got a little USB. This is, I'll show you the radio station though. Oh, I lied. We do have some music. Or we have some radio.
On se fait plaisir avec les coups de cœur et les nouveautés. Nos étoiles cette semaine, une surprise de Gabby Hartmann et l'excellent nouveau disque
We're in
des
Quebec,
Pop
if you hadn't
Brothers.
noticed.
Tellement courte.
That is
En
loud.
semaine 17h.
Like there's a subwoofer in there somewhere. So you press once for Bluetooth, second time for your radio. So that's pretty cool. So getting to the dash here, it is, again, all the color and stuff is great, but you're always going to be able to see this no matter if you have like polarized sunglasses on. So this is your kilometers. This is your voltage. That actually is very important to look at. This is a 60 volt system. So when it's fully charged, it's going to be a 71 volts. So once you get down into the 50s, high 50s, it's time to charge this. I know that this says high, but I do want you to ignore that and just look at your voltage. But we have other videos to show you about that. This, it doesn't hit or interfere with this roof at all. Some of the other models do. The mirrors are just not on, just so you know, they come with mirrors. It's a 4-wheel, so they don't have as great of a turning radius as a 3-wheel, but they're 4 wheels, man, they're solid. So what else do I want to tell you about this? Seat, it's got a little bit more, this is the best seat I've seen in a mobility scooter. It's got more of support on the side here. These are adjustable, front, back, and then reclining of the seat as well. When you recline this one, the seat, the tail box comes with you. There's some models where the tail box and the seat are separate. So yeah, and this has some extra support that comes across here as well. It's got support that runs along the top, and it is removable. Not easily removable, but if you ever had to transport this, that's also a bonus. It's removable. So yeah, there's your Galaxy.